I know how frustrating it can be when we as YouTubers tell you that starting a YouTube channel is the best decision you'll ever make, but we don't tell you how to start a YouTube channel. If you are ready to invest your time into a YouTube channel, this is a detailed step-by-step tutorial on how to start a YouTube channel the right way.
Hey, keep me where the light is, keep me where the brightest. Too late, can you show me where the ride is? I've been on the low side, I've been on the...
If you didn't notice in the title, this is part 1. So in part 1, I will be showing you a detailed step-by-step tutorial, and in part 2, I will be showing you things you should avoid and things you should do to triple your growth on YouTube. If you want to start a successful YouTube channel in 2020 and also make money in 2020, there's one thing you have to do, which is doing this right now. You see this? You have to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that when I upload, you're the first to be notified. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get into this video. So the first thing you want to do when starting a channel is picking a niche. So let me tell you the importance of a niche. As we are starting as YouTubers, YouTube doesn't know us. YouTube's main perspective is to keep people on their platform, and if you as a creator can't keep people on the platform, YouTube won't recommend your content. So your main point is that you want to prove to YouTube that you can keep people on the platform, and by picking a niche, people are going to find you through that niche. Because for example, my niche is helping people make money, and YouTube is one of the ways people can make money, which is one of the reasons why I'm talking about YouTube. So you can go on YouTube and, for example, start a gaming channel. When you start a gaming channel, it is recommended that you pick games that are already trendy, like Minecraft as an example. But guys, if you pick vlogs, here's the thing about vlogs. When you pick a niche, you want something that is SEO friendly, because people won't watch my vlogs.
Now _gang, the only reason why I say people won't watch my vlogs or your vlogs is because people don't trust that you can bring great content to them. So you have to prove to them that you are actually worthy of them watching your content first. Then once you have made that great content, then you can start making vlogs. So try first by actually giving them content which they are searching for, because remember, we are targeting the SEO, which is the search engine optimization, which is the search bar which you see when you are searching for a video on YouTube.
Once I started on YouTube, I was like, I'm a no niche channel. I'm going to post TikTok videos, I'm going to post gaming videos. As YouTube sees different videos from a creator under 1,000 subscribers, YouTube is not likely to recommend that content to more and more people. And another thing is that when a viewer sees your video, they're going to be interested in that video. What if they are interested in a makeup video? If they see the video is about makeup, they're going to click in and watch the video, get interested. When they go to your channel, they see that you are making TikTok videos, you are making gaming videos. What are they going to do? They're most probably going to click out of your channel and go for more makeup videos, because they were not looking for gaming videos at start, they were looking for makeup videos. So not having a niche is a real major setback for you. So now that we have picked a niche, we can now open the channel. I'm just going to move to my left so that y'all can see as I show you how we can do the step-by-step tutorial. Starting a channel, we're going to click on start a channel. So now you want to choose a memorable name. What name can we use? So as you can see, I'm just going to be doing that. Now once you have picked a name, it's time to create a logo. And once you've created a logo using Canva or pixel art, and once you've made a good looking logo and added a description, we click on create channel, and there we have a new channel, guys. And now your channel is created. Now guys, the thing which most people don't get is that once you have made a channel, doesn't mean that you have a channel banner. The main things which I recommend that you add is your upload schedule, what your videos are about, and a catchy slogan for your channel. For example, I don't have a slogan, but in my channel banner I write wanna make money. People would answer to that, yes, I wanna make money. They will see that new videos every Tuesday and Friday. And guys, you must stick to this schedule. You must stick to the schedule of Tuesday and Friday, because if you don't stick to that, you're going to lose subscribers. Speaking of subscribers, make sure you have subscribed and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload. So now if they wanna make money, new videos Tuesday and Friday, they're going to see that, oh, new videos Tuesday and Friday. They're going to subscribe, turn on their post notifications, and make sure that on Tuesdays and Friday they are here to make money. So that's another thing, but you must keep to your promise that you are going to post on Tuesday and Fridays. So guys, right now that we have made a great looking channel layout, let's go and verify our channel so that we can post videos which are longer than 15 minutes and we can upload custom thumbnails, which is the thumbnail you saw before watching this video, because the thumbnails which YouTube randomly chooses for you, let's be honest, they don't look good. So we need to verify our channel. It's time to make videos. So now we need to target the search engine. How we do that is that we plan videos which are search engine friendly. What am I saying when I say search engine friendly? SEO friendly, search engine optimization friendly. So guys, what we go and do is that you go on YouTube, in that search bar which you see right here, you target that. What are people searching for in your niche? Let's go, for example, with makeup. I'm only saying makeup because I'm going to use one of my subscribers as an example. Her name is Nobile Precious, and this is her channel. You can go subscribe to her channel, and it will be in the description down below. So Nobile Precious, she is a no niche channel. Remember when I say you have to pick a niche, she is a no niche channel. I'm not saying she won't grow, but if she wants to grow fast on YouTube, she will pick a niche. For example, scrolling through her channel, I've seen that the concept of her channel, I see that it's makeup. So with makeup, here's what she can do in order to grow her channel. I hope you're listening, Nobile. So Nobile just made a makeup video. Now it's time to upload. Here are the key aspects to downloading and which you must use. Guys, I have been on YouTube for over a year. I know what I am speaking about. One key aspect that you must know, guys, I don't know about you, but I never upload on YouTube the app. I always upload on a browser. Why is this, guys? Because on a browser you are given options. For example, end screens, description, tags. I don't know about the YouTube app, but you are given end screens, a whole lot of features on Chrome, and it's a lot easier. So Nobile just made her video, and now it's time to target the search engine. What she can do is that she can go and make the title of the video makeup tutorial : how to make your skin glow. Now that we have the description and tag, we don't use this. Why don't you use it, guys? This is the main aspect to optimize your video. So in the descriptions and tag, you can go and see in all of my descriptions that what I do is that I write the title. For example, she will write makeup tutorial: how to make your skin glow. She is going to go in the comment section and write keywords or ignore. This is not for anybody to read. This is just for the YouTube algorithm so that it can see this video is really about makeup tutorial and that. So she's going to write in the description keywords : then go under, then she's going to write a whole lot of things which people search for, and do this also in the tags, because this is what is going to tell YouTube that this video is about makeup. You have to say makeup in the video, because YouTube transcribes your video. You have a maximum of 5,000 characters, guys, in the description, and a maximum of 500 characters in the text below. And if you want to grow fast, I have a Chrome extension which you can use, guys. The Chrome extension which I use in order to help me, because always thinking about this, what people are searching for, is tiring, right? So a Chrome extension which I use is called TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy helps me with keyword explorers, a whole lot of things, but the one of the things which I love TubeBuddy is the one which I use to put tags in the description, because TubeBuddy auto generates tags which are related to the video. For example, if Nobile's channel is about makeup, TubeBuddy is going to pull makeup tutorial: how to do your makeup, how to do this, how to get a beauty. You see, what people are actually searching for, TubeBuddy is going to pull that for you. And there is a Chrome extension called vidIQ, but I prefer TubeBuddy over vidIQ. So yeah, if you want to get TubeBuddy, you can go down in the description down below, and I think I labeled it grow your channel. So grow your channel, you can go get it in the description down below. Sign up and get a TubeBuddy account. So guys, right now the title is optimized, the description is optimized, the tags is optimized. Don't forget that in the description you can use my description as a template of what you can do, but please guys, don't copy me. Like, we don't like copycats here. Don't copy me, please, but just use it as an example and use it as what you can relate to, something like that, but don't copy me. So right now the title, description and tags are optimized. What we need to do right now, when people search, your video is going to appear, but nobody's going to click because of your thumbnail. Now we have to make a thumbnail. Remember when I said I use Canva and Pixlr to edit my thumbnails? Yes, I do. I use Canva. And here's one thing about your thumbnails, guys. First being, your thumbnails need to be unique. So first, what is a thumbnail? A thumbnail is the picture which you see before you enter into a video. So you need your thumbnail to be unique, guys, and stand out in search, because there are millions of videos in search. So what is going to want that viewer to click on your video instead of the other person's video? So your thumbnail needs to be unique. If you go and see my channel layout, I'm all about green and blue, but when I started I wasn't really looking into a color, or I was like blue, red, but I found that green tends to perform better. Now the video is optimized, now the video's up, is ready for you to publish, but there are two things we have to do before going to publish the video: end screens and cards. What is the end screen? An end screen is when you, at the end of a video, guys, when you see there is a video popping up and another video popping up, or a playlist, and then you see the channel logo there, that is an end screen. When a video pops up, they can click on it and it will take them right to the video, or if they can click on the channel, they can subscribe and turn on the post notification. So that is the end screen. And a card is almost the same as an end screen, but this is a card. A card is like this. You see this thing that is popping up right in here? This is a card, and what we normally do with a card is that you can promote a video, you can promote a playlist, promote a channel, so you can promote anything. So once you have done that, it's time to go to the publishing settings. So now we are in the publishing settings. You have either save and publish, or schedule, or save as draft. Saving as draft is just that cross you see there. You can just click on that and you save that as a draft. Batch record content. What is batch recording? Which is one of the key main aspects which I was going to talk about in part 2. But since we are here right now, batch recording is recording content in bulk. So with both options, to publish the video or to schedule the video, we have a option to premiere the video. When going with the publish option, then the video is going to premiere right away. But when going with the schedule option, a page is going to be created whereby YouTube will tell viewers when your video is going to be premiered. And guys, that's all for part 1. If you all want to see part 2, make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that when I upload part 2, you're the first to be notified. But guys, anyways, Dollar Influencer here. I'm out. Peace. I'm also tired.